Hello everyone, this is King LT. This video I will show you our new product. We have designed this new KC868-A64 board so that you can see there are so much output and input. This is the very biggest of the GPIOs because sometimes for the home automation or for some project you need to have many sensors or many channels of output and input. So we have designed this 64 output and 64 input on one board. Also we'll use based on the ESP32. And also you can use the Ethernet, and you will use RS485 and have the analog input, and for the I2C extend. You can use this board and integrate to Home Assistant by the ESPHome, or you can write any Arduino IDE code to this board for some project or for home automation. Okay, let's look at the hardware details. This is KC868-A64 board. This is in front of the side, and this is another side. I think this board is very beautiful. I very love this board. And we can see here is the ESP32 module. This board, you can see that version is 1.3. So that this board is my first board. So 1, 2, 3 is featured, and the first 1.3 is successfully. So this we have designed many times. And this is for Ethernet, and this is for USB for download. And with this, use this USB port, because you can see if I install this board on the plastic box, that will be have a place can't let the USB cable out, so we will let the socket up directions, and also the Ethernet is up. So go on, we can see here the button. This button is for reset, and this is for download. Almost you can define this button for any function. And here we have the 4 channel of analog input, and the ground, and the RS485 A and B, and also is power supply. This is power supply for 12 volts DC or 24 volts, or is no problem. And here you can see is 64 input, that is digital input, and this you can see here is 64 output, that is by the MOSFET output, that is P-MOSFET output. So you can use the V-in, every channel of the first row, this hole, this hole, this hole, and this hole, this. That is connect with your external power supply for 12 volts or for 24 volts. So that you can use this board control output 12 volts or 24 volts. And here you can see the white socket. This have some white socket. This is for serial port output. You can see this is for serial port output, and you can connect with the HMI display directly. And here is I2C. This is one I2C bus output for extend ones. The first one. Here is second I2C extend. So you can extend the I2C device by this socket or by this socket. So this can easy to extend for some device, for some sensors. This is the PCB of the A64. If you want to install into the plastic shell, you can see here you can install on the shell, so that you can install on the DIN rail. You can see here is the DIN rail. You can install on it. So this board also can easily to install on your power distribution box. Okay, this is the A64 board, and thanks for watching.